Bannari Amman Institute of Technology. It is an autonomous college and serves as one of the citadels of higher education in southern part of India. BIT aids to impact knowledge, teamwork, innovation, entrepreneurship, courage, sacrifice, and duty, which are the innards of a meaningful life. BIT is a serene place for learning, discovery, innovation, expression, and discourse. And the human resources of BIT includes 576 staff members, 7,233 students, and some of the honors the college earned are: it is ranked one among the top 100 best engineering colleges in India and 46th rank among 165 private best colleges in India and 76th rank among top 100 colleges in India. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm accuracy of this data. The courses offered at BIT are Aeronautical Engineering, Information Technology, Agriculture Engineering, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Automobile Engineering, Biotechnology, Food Technology, Fashion Technology, Textile Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Computer Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Mechatronics, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, and Information Science and Engineering. Cutoff marks for BIT for various castes are: for OC it is between 169 to 190, for BCM 122 to 184, for BC 147 to 188, for MBC it is 130 to 183, for SC it is 77 to 151. The facilities at BIT. Community radio. It has become an essential tool for comprehensive development of the community. People can identify, recognize themselves through community radio besides communicating among themselves. Community radio is characterized by the active participation of local community in the process of broadcasting information on agricultural issues and cultural richness of the society. Bannari Amman Community Radio is currently going on air at 90.4 MHz for 9 hours from 6 am to 10 am in the morning and 5 pm to 10 pm in the evening. Sports. All the necessary sport facilities with the state of art technology are available in the campus. The total area of BIT playfield is 5,74,580 square feet and total area of indoor games facilities is 57,400 square feet. Hostels. Well furnished hostel for gents and ladies with 4 double and single occupancy rooms are available. The dining halls with seating capacity of 4,100 students are available. Well planned and equipped servicing counters, highly modernized kitchen, a cold storage, a dishwashing machine form a part of residential functions. Student Center of Institution is certified for the 5S workplace management system and the green initiatives. BIT has adopted many green car initiatives, thereby embellishing the eco-friendly ambience of the campus. The members of faculty and students take up the variety initiatives to save electricity by implementing the outcome of energy audits and developing a policy for reducing the consumption of electricity. A number of green initiatives include implementation of Miyawaki method of planting, installation of solar heating systems in hostels, and installation of 1 megawatt power solar power panels generating system, segregation of organic waste and biocomposting, digestion of human waste for biogas production, and rainwater harvesting. Placement at BIT. The statistics for number of students placed. For 2012 to 2016 batch, the number of students placed is 1013. In 2013 to 2017, 1421 students were placed. In 2014 to 2018, 1506 students were placed. In 2015 to 2019 batch, 1592 students got placed. And the major recruiters at BIT are Tata Consultancy Services, Zifo, Cognizant, Infosys, Britannia, FSS, Cyrus, Hudson, Amazon, Flipkart, JustPay, PayPal, Harita TechServe, OneGene, ITC Limited, IBM, Accenture, Zoho, Vulum, Pega, Bosch, Odessa Technologies, Econ Systems, Temenos, GoFrugal, Scava, Infoview, Beju's Learning App, Titan, ThoughtWorks, Aditya Birla, Decathlon, URC, CNC Health Center, Sermon, and many more. Why BIT? It is ranked one among the top best 100 colleges in India by NIRF 2019, MHRD Government of India. Achieved 100% placement for the 3 consecutive years. And the BIT has been recognized with National Award under the category of Top Performing Engineering College Research and Development by Society for Engineering Education Enrichment, Noida. And the BIT is certified for implementing 5S workplace management system. The college counseling code for BIT is 2702. Contact college at 4295 226 000 or 226 666. Website is www.bitsati.ac.in. And the college is located at Sati Bhavani State Highway, Alathukumbai Post, Satyamangalam 638401, Erode District, Tamil Nadu. And the mail ID is stayahead@bitsati.ac.in.